The License Management Platform allows administrators to manage all licenses registered under their organisation. You can add new users, control their expiry dates, send reminders, and view how many licenses are in use. To access the platform, go to the menu in the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Manage Users. Here you can see how many licenses are being used by your organisation, as well as how many are left to be claimed. There are 3 ways to add new users to the organisation. The first is by filling in their details in the fields shown and selecting the Create User button to the right. An email address is the only field that is required. If you do not create a custom username, one will automatically generate from their email address. The user details will then appear in orange. This account is not live until you click the Activate button. Clicking this will send the user an activation email with login instructions. This is the easiest way to add single users. The second way in which you can add new users to the organisation is via the batch import. This function allows you to add multiple users at once from an Excel sheet. To start, download the template. Once the download is complete, open the file and populate the columns. Once you've finished filling in the sheet, remember to remove all example information and headers in the top 3 rows. Save the file and return to the admin panel. Click the Upload Modified Template button, find the save file, and select Open to import. Note that these users are not yet activated. You can activate these users individually or in batch. The final way to add users to the License Management Platform is by giving them a unique sign-up page and registration code where they can register themselves. This is managed from the Org Settings button. Here you'll find your sign-up URL and access codes. Your custom sign-up page will look similar to this. Users should fill in their details here and enter their access code if they have one. Once they complete the form, they'll be added to your license set automatically. You can set up to 4 unique codes with individual expiry dates. This will allow the users to sign up with a specific expiry date from the start. Now the users have been added, there are other features which may be useful. You can search for users using the Ctrl and F buttons on your keyboard. Users who sign up via a custom sign-up page are activated immediately upon registration. Accounts that were added manually are not active until you click the Activate button. Inactive accounts will appear in orange and may be activated in batch by clicking the button at the top of the panel. This will show all inactive users. Click Activate All Users to activate in batch. Once an account has been activated by the administrator, the user will be sent an email with their login details. The License Management Platform will show the date each user was last active. You can send an individual reminder to the user from the button beside their name. You can also send password reset emails to users that have forgotten their passwords from this menu. Alternatively, you can send a reminder to all users who have not yet logged in from the button that appears at the top of the panel. Expiry dates for educational licenses are set to expire at the end of September by default. You can change a license's expiry date by adjusting the month and/or year in the expiry column dropdown. Once a license has expired, the account may be reassigned to a new user. If an account has been expired for more than 1 year, it will be added to the archived users list at the bottom of the page. You can reactivate this user at a later date by updating the expiry date. Another useful feature is the account summary. Click the I button beside a user's email to see login information and account storage. Finally, if archiving a license isn't enough, you can delete the account altogether. Users can only be deleted from the platform if they have not yet been activated. To delete a user, click the 3 dots beside their name and select Delete. For more information, check out our user manual or contact support at support@nutritics.com.